Improve your health and quality of life with CelluCare. Main benefit: healthy maintenance of blood glucose levels. CelluCare is widely recognized for its effectiveness in keeping blood glucose levels balanced. With a formula that combines natural ingredients such as gymnema, banaba leaf, and turmeric rhizome, this supplement works synergistically to increase insulin sensitivity, reduce sugar absorption, and improve glucose uptake by cells. This comprehensive approach ensures that glucose levels remain within a healthy range, reducing the risk of complications such as diabetes and cardiovascular diseases. Support for a healthy metabolism. Maintaining a healthy metabolism is crucial for achieving and maintaining ideal weight and overall health. CelluCare promotes metabolic health by increasing insulin sensitivity and encouraging efficient glucose absorption by cells. Ingredients such as turmeric rhizome and banaba leaf significantly contribute to accelerating metabolism, aiding in weight control, and reducing the risk of metabolic disorders. CelluCare supports individuals in their health goals by promoting a healthy metabolism. Where to purchase CelluCare? To purchase CelluCare, visit the official website mentioned in the video description. There, you can buy the product directly, ensuring you are getting the authentic formula. The website offers a simple and secure purchase process with options for different product quantities. As a bonus, each purchase includes two free ebooks, Learn to Control Diabetes. The company offers a 60-day money-back guarantee, making the purchase a risk-free option for those who want to balance their blood glucose levels and improve their overall health. Conclusion about CelluCare: CelluCare represents a significant advancement in blood glucose control, offering a natural and scientifically proven solution for those looking to maintain healthy glucose levels and increase vitality. With a combination of over 12 carefully selected ingredients, including turmeric rhizome, cocoa extract, eleuthero, gymnema, and juniper, CelluCare supports blood glucose levels and promotes better blood health, energy, and overall well-being. The presence of natural antioxidants and anti-inflammatory agents further amplifies its potential benefits. Thomas Wilson, the creator of CelluCare, highlights the product's ability to naturally activate the body's feedback cycle responsible for regulating and balancing blood glucose. This makes CelluCare a holistic approach to managing glucose levels, weight, and energy, addressing multiple aspects of health in a single formula. Additionally, the product's formulation is based on extensive research and supported by numerous scientific studies that prove the effectiveness of its ingredients. From reducing inflammation to improving digestion and heart health, the multifaceted benefits of CelluCare are comprehensive. The company's commitment to quality and customer satisfaction is evident in the 60-day money-back guarantee and the free digital downloads with each purchase. In summary, CelluCare is more than just a supplement. It is a proactive step towards a healthier and more energetic life. Its natural ingredients and scientifically proven formulation offer a reliable way to balance blood glucose levels and overall health, making it a valuable addition to the wellness routines of those seeking to improve their quality of life.